All right, here's the plan. Tonight is the greatest hits album of our childhood, and the top 3 singles, each of our favorite attractions.
Welcome!
All right, let's do this.
Step right up.
You have no idea who you're up against.
Good luck. You'll meet it.
Now, Pete, you got this.
All right, players.
Fingers on the trigger,
Let's go.
eyes on the target.
And they're off! The Great Coney Island Open returns after 3 years, and our returning competitors seem to be in the highest of spirits.
Harry, what are you doing?
Distracting you. Duh. And it's working.
Oh, that's dirty.
Go, Pete!
You're taking his side?
I don't root for cheaters.
Ooh, burn!
Yes! What?
Yeah,
Hold
yeah.
up! You guys want your prize?
We're good, thanks.
Well, that's just one game. Plenty more to school you at.
Oh, you're on.
Next on our top 3, MJ Watson featuring the Speed Demon.
Yes!
Let's hit the other rides and games on the way. If we do enough of them, we can win something from the prize booth.
I knew I read that somewhere.
God, I hope the speed demon is as terrifying as I...
Okay, you two go get declared soulmates. I'm gonna fly solo. See if I give off Casanova vibes.
Good luck. Soulmates, huh? No pressure.
What does this thing know about us?
Maybe that you should move in with me?
Or maybe that everything's too up in the air to think about it yet?
Yeah, maybe. Whoa, that can't be right.
What is this thing reading anyway? Our body temperature?
Or our skin's pH?
Highly doubt it's that sophisticated.
Over here, let's do this one next.
One more down.
Go-karts, anyone?
With your driving? Hard pass.
Come on, you two lovebirds. Got more park to explore.
Don't worry, I got you.
Is that Tombstone? What is he doing here?
Looks like he's a mechanic? And saving the day.
Thanks for pulling me out, man. That could have been really bad.
Maybe we should try the roller coaster. Tombstone? Stereo? This park really is a magnet for reformed supervillains.
Yeah. Come on. We still have a little more memory lane to walk down. Come on. Let's try and sit up front.
After you.
Such a gentleman.
Doing okay?
I'm really nervous.
Don't worry about it.
What are the chances the person Harry gave his prize to would be the single rider sitting next to him?
I mean, it would be one heck of a meet cute. Should we tell her?
Tell her what?
What are you two whispering about up there?
Just reminding MJ to keep her hands inside the vehicle at all times. Woohoo! That was epic!
Right?
I needed that. All right, fearless leader. What's next?
Our last showcase of the night.
The muscle up.
Oh, you know it, baby. Never did hit that bell. But the dream always kept me coming back.
I think this'll be the year.
Knocking down is calling our name.
Heard pyramids are the most stable structure. Let's test that out.
I know somebody who blew $20 trying to knock him down.
Yeah.
Not supposed to be able to do that.
Another stamp for our ticket. I think I'll go see if that claw machine is still finessable like old times. You two coming?
We'll catch up in a sec.
Glad he's doing what he loves.
Killing it at the claw machine?
I meant the foundation. It's great that he gets to make a living helping people.
I'll bet your book helped more people than you realize.
Always looking on the bright side, huh?
Better than the alternative.
I don't believe it. Claw machine has a new high score. Couldn't beat it.
Tragic.
Ready for round two, Pete?
One of us has to be.
Oh, hit.
You know
Swish, swish, bish.
Never knew you were so into basketball, Harry.
With all this energy I've had lately, I'm into everything. Oh, there he is.
Yes! Show him how it's done, Pete!
Yeah, let's go!
And another one's gone. Sorry. Now here's a classic.
I think you hold the record for amount of vomit spilled on this ride.
A title I wear proudly to this day. Family nuts.
Did you see that guy's face? He was pissed. That was so
I really think
That's your secret admirer or what? This one looks fun.
Hey, Pete. This is the best night of my life.
Hey, Harry. Me too.
I want to have my birthday here this year. I didn't think I'd get any more of those.
There'll be plenty, buddy.
That was great.
What a ride!
You were saying?
Who, Jonah? Nothing. Not a word on my article yet.
I still can't believe he's your boss.
Let's just find something to hit.
I know.
Finally! Let's hammer some hydrants.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, little hydrants. Now come out wherever you are.
Dude, that's kind of dark.
Gotcha!
What? They're not pigs. You can't exactly threaten to blow their houses down.
Have you ever considered, like, I don't know, not dropping sass?
I have not, thank you very much.
Yes! Take that, you stupid Hydra!
Yo, MJ. Good?
Great! Thanks!
Yeah, MJ. Show those hydras who has opposable thumbs.
Whew, I really needed that.
So, whose face were you picturing? On the moles? Classic transference.
It was totally Jonah's, wasn't it?
Two more.
Is that a dunk tank? That's new.
Thanks, but it's gonna be a hard pass for the end.
Really? You used to be really into swimming. Didn't you win state?
It's like you said, MJ. People can change.
Thanks.
Ugh, smells incredible.
Hey, Harry. Want to get that chili dog you were craving yesterday?
Oh, man, not after that coaster ride. My stomach's rumbling as much as that rickety track.
Cotton candy, anyone?
Can't. Strict diet. Doc's orders.
Too sweet for me. I want to go scope out the popcorn situation. You guys want anything?
Caramel corn would hit the spot.
On it.
It's good to be back, Pete. Can I ask you something? Being gone, I've missed a lot. You just lost your job, MJ's got work woes. Are you both... okay?
Yeah, we're okay. Everything's great. I mean, especially with EMF. We're gonna change the world.
Yeah.
So anything corn-based is a no-go. How's it feel?
Weirdly high. Or do you mean being this handsome? This charming?
Being Peter.
Being Peter is nice. I think we could both use more nights like this.
Yeah. We always say we will, but... let's pinky promise this time. Just not right now. Too high.
All right. Postponed pinky promise.
Huh, needed that.
It's so relaxing up there.
One left and it's Prize City.
My fault.
Muscle up. Muscle up. Muscle up. Muscle up.
Muscle up!
Muscle up!
All right, all right. Wow. How Miles gets to see these. Amy's got some talent.
Expert color theory at work here. Feels familiar, yet modern.
Well, somebody remembered a thing or two from AP Art.
When did you do that?
This place really hasn't changed a bit.
Yeah, this one looks fun.
How did I let you talk me into this?
Ah, stop and smell the popcorn.
How can you think about food right now?
You know me, I have many talents.
Sure. With the spinning vertigo ride out of the way?
Forgot how much I loved that one.
Wow, this place really hasn't changed a bit.
Yeah, a little worn down, but the endorphins are the same.
Wonder if the food is as good as I remember.
Sure smells like it.
Pete, the last hot dog you ate gave you food poisoning.
Oh, yeah.
I did.
That's everything. Which, hey, there's a prize with our name on it. Oh, we've got 20 plushies to sell already, and they ordered us 3 dozen more.
Looking good, Pete.
This is what happens when you go.
You know I'm never taking this off, right?
You're gonna wear that to the office.
Co-founder approved.
Don't forget to hit the muscle up. Harry's practically vibrating with excitement over there.
Here's a strapping young lad. Welcome. Who's up first?
Pete, come on. Sure.
Come on, man.
Nice! Take it easy, Harry. Don't hurt yourself.
The only thing that's gonna hurt is your Parker pride.
Boys, boys. You're both pretty.
Sorry.
What?
Okay. I guess this really was the year.
Harry, that was something else.
Yeah, I have no idea how I did that.
Okay, how about we do something more chill?
Looks like the Ferris wheel line has died down some.
Hey, I'm gonna let you two go ahead and be cute together. I'm gonna go see if I can win a couple more unicorns.
You look really happy.
It's funny. Harry's getting a second chance, but I feel like I'm getting one too.
You two are gonna make a hell of a team. The Bugle posted.
Did Jonah put you on the front page? Oh, you're gonna be an editor! I should have brought champagne.
Hunters and scorpions and explosions, oh my. Jonah posted the new guy story.
MJ,
It already has 5,000 views. I've got to write a different kind of story. Win his trust, somehow.
Hey, you'll come up with something. You always do.
Thanks.
Sure. And hey, if you need some help from your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, I'd say we make a hell of a team too. Even if I do forget the champagne.
Next time.
He went this way.
Out of the way!
Eyes on Tombstone!
Tombstone. Raven's Goon Squad, huh? Which supervillain are you hunting this time? Mysterio? Tombstone?
Don't let the spider get in our way. Take him out.
Didn't expect to see me? Well, the feeling's mutual. One night off. That's all I wanted. What? No.
Come in! Come in! Containing Tombstone as much as we can, but we cannot. Surprise! You supposed to kidnap me with a little rope and the power of friendship? Think again!
Tombstone can handle himself.
You can't take on all of us.
Can't let them hurt anyone who hasn't gotten out of the park yet. Oh no, Harry! Come on, Harry, pick up, pick up!
Hey, it's Harry. Leave a message.
MJ, Harry isn't answering his phone. Got my hands full with these hunters, and I don't see him anywhere.
Our Ferris wheel pod's about to touch down. I'll make sure he's safe.
And you stay safe too.
You know I don't go anywhere without my Simkarian sidekick.
Is that what you call your sable stingray?
Still worth shopping in. I'll let you know when I find Harry.
Letting loose! Taking higher ground! Look out! They're moving in on the raceway. That's where Tombstone was working. He's tough, but so are these guys. Hunter, start your engines! And may the best spider win!
I knew he'd be at the racetrack.
Spider-Man or Tombstone?
Lucky day. We got both.
You hunters are driving me crazy! MJ, you found Harry?
Not yet, but I saw Mysterio. Kraven's Goon Squad doesn't seem to be interested in it. Like, at all.
And they must only want Tombstone. Thanks for the tip!
Yeah. I'll keep looking for Harry.
More swords. Additional units are on their way. Target sighted!
These nets are no joke!
Get cleared to be spied. Ray in my sights. Relocating.
Hey, cover!
I got these guys, Tombstone! You just worry about breaking through that net!
See the day you defend me!
You and me both, Lonnie! But these guys' boss wants you dead! He's a hunter, and he's making supervillains his prey!
Guessing he's not open to a call from my parole officer about how I turned my life around.
Since he's already killed Scorpion? Probably not!
More where that came from!
Get the spider off our back! Once and for all!
Let's change this up!
I got you, Lonnie! Don't fall. Oh no. I'm sorry, Lonnie. I really do want to help you. It's gonna be okay. Don't worry, I've got you. Hang on! Last stop! Everyone out! I'm sorry! Harry! Pete? No! Hang on!
Was that?
Yeah! Hang on! Okay, we gotta talk.
We sure do. Spider-Man.
I know. But first, what are those things coming out of you?
I think it's my treatment. Dr. Connors said it's some kind of self-learning exosuit, but I had no idea it could... Wait. You know what this means, right? We both have superpowers. Just think about all the stuff we could do to heal the world! Sorry. I guess I still gotta figure out how this thing works.
Well, it's a real shame neither of us has a state-of-the-art science lab to run some tests.
I'll go make sure the coast is clear. Meet you there?
Give me a call when you're ready. just saw what happened at Coney. What was that?
Well,
Remember my friend Harry? Yeah? That was him? How? Honestly, no idea. I think it's this treatment he's been... Oh, that's Harry. Gotta go.
Hey, I cleared out the foundation.
All right, I'll swing by.
Swing by. Man, how many times have you said that and meant it literally?
Hey, need a dance partner? I've been waiting.
Get Spider-Man!
Thanks for the assist. Just trying to keep up with you.
old underground tech. Without the Tinkerer, they were picked apart like vultures. I'll let Miles know we can put this stuff to better use.
My pleas for peace have been rejected by calls for violence. From, you know it, Spider-Man. An attack on what was once a destination for enjoyment now stands desecrated and defiled. Our cherished Coney Island was victim to a free-for-all brawl, destroying iconic attractions and history itself. Some of my fondest memories were at Coney Island. My father used to buy me the nickel pop and hot dog combo, and I, like any self-respecting American, would overindulge. Now, it's all been taken. To make matters worse,
Hey! Hey, Pete! Watch this! Woo! You okay?
Come on, let's see what else this thing can do.
What are you doing?
Science, buddy. I'm doing science. So, Spider-Man, you told MJ, but not your best friend?
To protect you. I wanted to.
Right. Yeah, I get it. And that kid you're tutoring, he's the other one?
A lot happened while you were in that tank.
Trust me, I know. Nice and gentle.
Whoops. Yeah. I'm gonna make some coffee. It looks like it's gonna be a long night. Damn it.
What the hell happened here?
We were just, doing some experiments.
Where's Dr. Connors?
Maybe he took the day off?
No. He doesn't take days off.
I'm gonna go.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll call you later.
I need a minute. Harry's got superpowers? This is all happening so fast. Wait, what's that? Hey guys, I'm getting a strange spider-bot signal.
You got that too? Genki, you testing something?
I was just about to call you guys. A bunch of them just pinged the network out of nowhere. They're using some funky wireless protocols.
I'll check it out and let you know what I find. Uploading info to the Spidey server.
Got it. I'll keep an eye out for more.
Send me the data when you find them.
Get a move on!
I'll try to track down who made them.
Is that a good photo, Spider-Man? Hey, send it to the student newspaper.
Hey, long night?
Hey, MJ. Harry and I stayed up doing tests on his suit. And we may have had too much pizza. It was really nice.
Just like the good old days. So I gotta know, what's Harry's radioactive spider?
I've never seen anything like this before. It's some kind of exosuit that completely eradicates any trace of his disease. Dr. Connors really outdid himself this time.
That's incredible. And great timing, considering what happened at the park.
Any leads on where they might have taken Tombstone?
Not yet, but if I hear anything, you're my first call.
Oh, you're the best.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, what's next?